Most people go their entire lives without thinking about the engineering behind their toilet. You walk into a bathroom, you use it, you flush it, and you move on with your day. It is an appliance that demands absolute reliability but gets zero glory. The only time you actually think about a toilet is when you are forced to buy a new one. You have to decide between a one-piece and a two-piece toilet. Let me explain why this choice completely changes how you maintain your bathroom, how much money you spend, and how much trouble you will have on installation day. The fundamental anatomy. To understand the debate, you have to look at how these things are actually built in the factory. A two-piece toilet is exactly what you probably grew up with. The manufacturer creates the water tank and the bottom bowl as two completely separate pieces of ceramic. They fire them in the kiln independently. When you buy one, it usually comes in two different boxes. You or your plumber will eventually bolt those two heavy ceramic chunks together with a thick rubber gasket sandwiched in between them to hold the water. A one-piece toilet functions using the exact same internal mechanics, but the manufacturing process is much more difficult. The tank and the bowl are sculpted and fired in the kiln as a single solid mass of porcelain. There are no bolts holding the top and bottom together because the top and bottom are literally the exact same piece of stone. This makes the manufacturing process more complicated and expensive, which instantly shifts the dynamic when you compare the two styles in the real world. The reality of cleaning. Here is what matters to anyone who actually has to scrub a bathroom on a Saturday morning. Cleaning a toilet is already a miserable chore, but the two-piece design makes it significantly worse. Because the tank simply sits on top of the bowl, there is always a tiny, unavoidable gap where the two pieces of ceramic meet. Over the years, that tiny seam becomes a magnet for dust, moisture, and bacteria. It is practically impossible to get a sponge or a brush deep into that crevice. One-piece toilets solve this problem entirely because the entire unit is a single continuous shape. There is absolutely no gap. You can take a cleaning wipe and run it from the very top of the water tank all the way down to the floor in one smooth motion. There are no hidden dark corners for grime to hide in. For a lot of homeowners, the simple act of wiping down a smooth, unbroken surface is enough of a reason to abandon the traditional two-piece design forever. The physics of installation day. Bringing a new toilet into your home forces you to confront the physical reality of moving heavy objects. Ceramic is dense, heavy, and incredibly unforgiving if you drop it. This is where the old-school two-piece toilet actually holds a massive advantage. Because it comes in separate boxes, you can carry the bowl up a narrow flight of stairs by itself. Then you can go back down and carry the water tank up separately. The weight is distributed, making it a very manageable job for a single person. A one-piece toilet is an entirely different beast. You are dealing with the combined weight of the tank and the bowl all at once. Moving 100 pounds of awkwardly shaped porcelain through tight bathroom doorways usually requires two capable adults. It is not something you want to attempt alone. However, once you actually get the heavy unit into the bathroom, the one-piece toilet is actually faster to install. You just set it on the floor ring and bolt it down. With a two-piece model, you still have to spend time carefully balancing the heavy tank onto the bowl and tightening the bolts just enough to prevent leaks without cracking the ceramic. The danger of hidden leaks. Water damage is the silent killer of houses. It rots wood, destroys drywall, and costs thousands of dollars to fix. When you look at a two-piece toilet, you are looking at a potential liability. The only thing keeping the gallons of water in the top tank from flooding your bathroom floor is a rubber gasket and a couple of metal bolts. Rubber naturally degrades, hardens, and cracks over time. Eventually, every single two-piece toilet will start weeping water from that middle joint if it is not maintained. A one-piece toilet eliminates the specific failure point completely. Water cannot leak between the tank and the bowl because there is no joint there. The water is held inside a solid, unbroken ceramic vault. You still have to worry about the wax ring on the floor and the water supply line on the wall, but you never have to worry about the middle of the toilet suddenly springing a leak in the middle of the night. This structural integrity gives homeowners a massive amount of peace of mind over a 30-year lifespan. The price tag and long-term repairs. Everything comes back to money. If you are renovating on a strict budget, the two-piece toilet is going to win your attention immediately. They are significantly cheaper to buy up front. The manufacturing process is standardized and highly efficient, which keeps the retail price surprisingly low. One-piece toilets are positioned as premium products, and they carry a premium price tag. You are paying for that complicated factory molding process. But you also have to think about what happens when things break. Let's say you drop a heavy wrench while doing some plumbing and you crack the water tank. If you own a two-piece toilet, you can simply unbolt the broken tank, drive to the store, and buy a replacement tank for a fraction of the cost of a new toilet. You swap it out and you are done. If you crack the tank on a one-piece toilet, the entire unit is garbage. You cannot replace half of it. You have to rip the entire heavy fixture out of the floor and buy a brand new toilet. The aesthetics and room design. How a toilet looks might sound trivial until you spend $10,000 updating your master bathroom. The fixture needs to match the room. Two-piece toilets generally have a very traditional, classic appearance. They look somewhat bulky because of the distinct separation between the upper and lower halves. This look works perfectly in older homes, rustic designs, or any space where you want a familiar, standard aesthetic. One-piece toilets offer a very sleek, modern profile. They look intentionally designed rather than just assembled. Because they sit slightly lower and lack the bulky middle seam, they make tight spaces feel a little more open. If you are designing a minimalist, contemporary bathroom with clean lines, putting a clunky two-piece toilet in the corner will instantly ruin the visual flow of the room. Designers almost exclusively lean toward the single-piece aesthetic for modern renovations. Dimension and space efficiency. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in a house, which means every single inch of floor space matters. While you can find compact versions of both styles, one-piece toilets generally take up slightly less physical space. The integrated design allows engineers to push the tank slightly lower and closer to the bowl. If you are dealing with a tiny under-the-stairs powder room, saving 2 inches of depth can be the difference between a comfortable space and a bathroom where your knees hit the door. Two-piece toilets are often taller and sit further off the wall. However, this modular nature does offer one strange advantage. Because the tank and bowl are separate, manufacturers can mix and match parts easily. This means it is sometimes easier to find a very specific bowl height paired with a specific tank size in a two-piece configuration. You get a bit more customization if you have highly specific accessibility needs. So, which is better? Choosing between these two options comes down to what you value most in your home. If your absolute top priority is saving money today and keeping your future repair options as cheap as possible, you should buy a two-piece toilet. It is the standard for a reason. It is cheap to buy, easy for one person to carry up the stairs, and simple to repair if you crack a piece. But if you are willing to spend more money upfront to improve your daily life, the single-piece design is superior. It instantly upgrades the look of the room, it removes a major leak hazard from your plumbing system, and most importantly, it stops you from ever having to scrub dust out of a ceramic crevice again. You endure a harder installation process for decades of easier living.